Man, I have the coolest job in the world, man. I get to watch the videos and I get to talk to the artists who made the videos, who made the music. And today is an example. I have Lord Paper in the studio, but we're gonna get to all of that. You know, exciting moments because he's releasing new music. He's got projects coming up, some stuff he's been up to, and we're going to look at the journey a bit. You know, a bit of a break and all of that. So very exciting moment for me. Just I'm sure for you guys. Again, as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, ideas, opinions, very simple. MX24 TV, every single platform at the hashtag MX Live. It makes it easier to find your stuff. So please sit back, relax, enjoy for the next hour. Interesting stuff I have coming your way. Quick commercial break. We'll be right back. MX24 TV, every single platform. Hashtag MX Live makes it easier to find us stuff. Send me messages at JasonEL_A. And for every interview we have, you know, for all of our shows, we play excerpts or we post excerpts, on YouTube, on Instagram, on X, you know, on TikTok, on Snapchat. So just in case you miss anything, we've got you covered all over social media. But right now, Lord Paper, the man with the long hair and tattoos apparently.
Yeah.
How have you been, man? It's been years, a couple of years, right?
4 or 5 years.
4 or 5 years. Yeah. Oh, bro, I do have to say, congratulations on your journey, because I remember we spoke a while ago and you told me it was always about the music for you, and you stuck to the music.
Yeah, but
right?
I feel like it was a big mistake for me from the start.
Why?
I was supposed to think about the money.
Oh, let's start off the conversation like that.
I was supposed to think about the money.
But do you blame yourself too much? Because as young creatives, right, the first thing we want to do is want to be heard.
Yeah.
So from that perspective, you should give yourself a little pat on the back, or you don't at all.
I mean, I had no idea about the whole music business. I just loved music. You get me? I wanted to put my music out there, basically.
So what mistakes did you actually make? And we can bring it down to surface level. Were you performing for free? Were you doing features for free? Were you not releasing as much as you feel you should have released?
I don't know. I think I wasn't too serious with the whole thing. I wasn't going for interviews.
Oh, you're actually a reserved guy.
Yeah, I'm a reserved guy. For real. And coming was Kapan. Coming home was Shoka. You get me? Like, I'll do the music for free. And all that. But Charlie, I suppose drop.
Yeah. Okay, so how many years have you been doing this professionally?
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah.
Would you say along all those 7 years, you've not taken it business-wise as seriously?
Oh, no. Sure. I think the first 2 years, 2-3 years, it was more of basically. I wasn't really thinking about the business side.
Okay.
Till I met my first label.
Okay. So, do you feel to some extent, though, you were taken advantage of? Because to anyone who's new in anything, these mistakes will be made.
Problem is, I had no vivid understanding of the whole thing. I was supposed to do a lot of research. Okay. Understand the whole thing. Yeah. Before I start. Yeah. I was just doing it.
Yeah.
Basically. So.
You know what's interesting? Some watching this might say, you're not the only one who was in that pot, because a lot of artists here, and I'm sure you've spoken to a lot of your brothers and sisters who make music, will tell you, we're not making as much money. Is that a true statement to say there is not money in the Ghana music industry?
There's a lot of money in it. A lot of money in it. But
so we're making the mistakes, the creatives.
Yeah, I feel like it depends on the person, the team and everything. What I say, because I think after Djibouti, I started making money.
Okay.
What I say, after Djibouti, I was playing shows, I had Asaboni right out of Djibouti too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if it wasn't for the whole COVID thing, I see how much investment for.
For real, from the music?
Oh yeah, I was making a lot of money within that period, 2019, 2020. Yeah. Yeah.
Primarily, how do artists make money in this country?
Honestly, I have no idea about the digital sales and all. Meaning, say in but it was about the shows for me.
Okay.
The shows. Okay. Because they pay. And if you're playing like 2 shows a night or 3 shows a week, I'm making a lot of
But
money.
isn't that scary though, if there are artists who don't have the biggest songs or were not as big as you? Because bro, your music everywhere, right? Now there are artists watching this, and there's always this comparison that, oh, even the artists who are not biggest or the biggest in other countries are making very good money.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Right?
Like, the artists you feel are not big, If you see their streaming numbers, you go crazy. Sometimes they have more streams than you that you have the biggest song.
Yeah.
I don't understand how it works though, but I've seen it a couple of times. Yeah. So, and I feel like they make a lot of money from that side.
Are you now?
Me?
Yeah, now.
Yeah. I mean, I had no idea people actually stream my songs a lot because most of my songs are like slow a bit. Also,
Okay.
Headache and all that. So I think I have a lot of listeners.
Yeah. So what structures, like you're saying you have a record label now, but again, per advice as artists watching this, what structures have you and your team actually put in place to make sure that financially you're well off? Because again, this is how a lot of people put food on their tables, right?
Yeah, so I don't really want to go like too detailed because my previous management, like record label, we fell out.
Oh.
So yeah, but they were really taking good care of me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, how's this journey been for you? I mean, has it been as exciting as it seems? Because the fan sees, bro, you're wearing diamond chains. You have music videos with the Flyers girls, which I'm never in. Let me just put that out there. I don't know why.
I don't want to talk plenty. I don't want to talk plenty.
But bro, is the journey as fun as it seems? And I've been asking this question, interestingly enough, for the past week or so, 2 weeks or so, because the conversations I have with artists behind the scenes are sometimes not as exciting, are not as encouraging, right? But it's a very fun business. It's music, it's what people want to make. Has it been exciting for you?
Yeah, it's exciting, but Charlie, it be depressing as well.
Oh.
What I say, it depends on the artist. Me, I've always been the reserved type. And I don't care, I don't really care. Naturally. I say, if it's going well, if it's not going well, I don't care, I'm good.
Okay.
Which is very bad.
Okay.
And Boami.
Yeah.
My name Bray, because it's a serious business.
Oh,
you get me? It doesn't help me. It doesn't help me, but it has helped me in the sense that
in retrospect,
it doesn't really affect me like the way it affects a lot of people. Because I have friends in the industry, most of them, the way they complain.
So mentally, what I'm getting from that is mentally, you're a very strong guy because you're moving to the beat of your own drum.
Exactly.
But per the fans, they want more. They want to see Lord Paper every other week, but they're not getting that.
Yeah.
So how do you find the balance now?
Since
you realize this.
Okay. 2024, I'm dropping a lot of songs.
Okay.
I'm dropping 2 EPs. This is the first single. This is not even off the EP. It's just one of the songs. Yeah.
Is that why you took a break, would you say? Because you did take a little break.
Yeah, I mean, I had 1 or 2 issues with my record label.
The previous one?
Okay. So we had to sort things out. And also, I did do 1 or 2 projects for myself. Sometimes, basically.
Yeah. I mean, he's a businessman.
I'm a businessman.
Yeah, but my mumu never did ring. Like,
Charlie,
we go way back, man. Don't do this.
You get money pass.
But look at his neck.
You get money pass.
Can we zoom onto his neck?
This
look
guy,
at his neck.
I was watching this guy on TV.
But we there street though.
Yeah, I did watch it. Like
3 days, boys no eat though.
I was a big fan. Michelle, man, can't you say? I was a big fan.
People don't know we have music together.
We get
some together. Some more, bro.
Yeah. When I was coming for this interview, I posted a flyer. The girls were like, I love the guy.
For real?
Then they feel you.
Oh, man. Then I'm probably under a rock somewhere. Oh.
You know this thing.
This is not nice. Okay, so, bro, I mean, along this journey, right, you're realizing a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
How do you deal with the fact that you're realizing these things publicly? Because you're sitting here saying, okay, I feel like I wasn't taking these things seriously. I'm making these changes. And we live in a very critical, analytic world. People are very analytic. Somebody's going to sit and say, oh, he no be serious guy.
Yeah.
After all this time, now he's making these changes.
Yeah.
How do you deal with the fact that you have to make these things public? Or, you're scrutinized, so to speak.
I mean, I'm just trying to be honest as possible. These are real things happening.
Yeah.
You get me? Me as an artist, like, Matinasi, and I've noticed the mistakes I've been doing from the beginning. That didn't help. When I dropped J-Body was number one in the country.
Yeah, it was.
Asabone was number one in the country when I dropped it.
Back to back, bro.
I could have taken advantage of it.
Yeah.
And I'm concert.
You feel like you didn't?
Exactly.
Okay.
So all these things, Charlie, man, for calculate, because as it worry me small sometimes. Even though I not really they make it, but I didn't say, oh Charlie, and I dropped Headache. It did well, but I didn't do a lot of promotion because I wasn't with the label.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah.
I didn't really do a lot of promotion, even though it did well. And I'm about being with Way.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna get to your new music soon. And how do you feel now? You know, after all these things again, your first single of the year. I mean, it's first quarter of the year, so to speak. Why now? Is it because again you feel like you have to attack it?
No, because I have like fan base on ground. You know, like people don't know, but they love me. The people love me, especially the Ghanaian old generation people.
Yeah, your music resonates.
Yeah, they love me. Like I get a lot of love. Charlie, your high life in the BM, our high life in the
Yeah.
You get me? I'll be more Afrobeat guy, but I'll be old school too. So I'm able to, blend the two. You get me? That's the main reason why I dropped this particular High Life song.
Okay. I like that you brought that up. High Life. Again, this is a business, right? Everybody wants to do what everybody else is doing. That's making the money. You're in a position where you're realizing more how important the business is. You're taking the business seriously.
Yeah.
Somebody might say, no, High Life is not selling. That's counteractive to the fact that you're a businessman. Now, your first single of the year is a High Life song. What informed this decision? Was it more personal, creative? Was it looking at what the fans want? Was it, again, a business decision to release this song now?
Yeah, I mean, me, myself, I don't really compare myself to, what's trending or who is trending or the styles, even though I don't know if it's a bad thing, but I don't really, you get me?
Yeah.
But I feel like the projects I've dropped, the one that people really loved, and the kind of demand that people are putting on me is more of High Life.
Oh.
You get me? Because Asabone did I think that's my biggest song. And then I dropped the song Headache. I don't know if you know Headache.
Yeah.
It's High Life, but it has
Yeah.
So like most of the people I meet, like the demand is more of Charlie, my High Life. Yeah.
As laid back as you are, is there weight on your shoulders to carry High Life, or do you not think about it like that at all?
I can't carry High Life.
But you can help.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Like,
but you think about that though?
About carrying High Life, no. Let's do.
Somebody to go say, Lord, people day.
I go just like your fans. But people day. High Life, people day. I feel like Afrobeat and all this, my pianos are taking over and all that. That's fine. But High Life today.
And I know you're not somebody who likes to speak for people, but let me ask you, if you're willing to answer, do you think that's a problem? The fact that we don't have as many artists making High Life? Or again, is it like, let's just do what we want to do?
I think Angaza, is it more than you know that no be? But just they are trying to catch up with a certain type of race that they go on. You get me? If you want to stay at the same position, maybe it might not help. And as like an industry, we need to have diverse type of music. So definitely there'll be like, see somebody like Akan. Right?
Oh, one of my favorite, bro.
See this guy, what was his name? Walasi.
Oh man.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, AI.
Yeah.
All these guys.
AC, right?
Dope. Charlie, I respect those guys. You get me? But if you see 10 people, we ask them, maybe one per week gonna say, oh, Charlie, they are singing like that. Yeah. But there should be space for diverse music.
There should be.
There should be space for diverse music.
But is there that space now?
It is not there like that. Like, as Obia follow that.
Yeah. Okay, so is this because of the creatives or the fans? Because the creatives create, produce, everybody. And the fans consume.
I blame everybody.
We all day inside.
Everybody day inside. What I say, if we make one of my say, we try project this thing, or we go feed one. No big Ghanaians, they blow all these guys. Big Ghanaians. If you took Black Sherif and made him it's Ghanaians, right? Yeah. You can do that if you want to do it. Yeah, but I don't know. Just honestly, mean to me explain it.
I get what you're saying 100%. But even though you can't explain, do you think we're having the wrong types of conversations? Because every single conversation, I'm sure you've seen this on multiple platforms. I've seen is like, there's always this competition in trying to catch up.
Exactly.
It's like it's constantly there, and it's like we're forgetting that we have what we do have.
Yeah.
So are we having the wrong conversations on these platforms?
I think there should be space for there should be space, at least. Like, we can have those conversations, but there should be space for the high life music too. I don't know Ghana there. What I say, I'm not saying it's Ghana for Obianya high life. Everyone can do whatever they want to do, but there should be space for it. Because without people like us,
yeah, exactly. That's what I said, bro. Without the youth, the Aquabwas.
Because the people doing high life now, Omusa, everyone is focusing on Afrobeat, trying to go international and everything. Someone international, but they're doing high life.
Yeah.
You get me? Yeah.
But have you ever caught yourself in two minds where it's like, okay, I can't knock Afrobeats because, bro, you can do it.
Bro, I'm like 80% of my songs are Afrobeat. 80%, just 20% be high life.
And like you said, those are your biggest songs.
Those are my biggest
20%
songs.
are your biggest songs.
Because 80% of my songs are Afrobeat. Yeah. Call on Me, I Love Not Catch You Before. I mean, if you listen to my EP, I dropped an EP somewhere in Off-Key. Listen to it, 80% be Afrobeat music.
So moving forward, what's the direction for Lord Paper?
Honestly, if you give me soul music safe, I go knock out. You get me? I do trap. It be dance up I not do before. You get me? I'm a musician. Whatever inspires me at the moment, I do it. So last year I dropped Chronicles. I don't know if you know Chronicles. Yeah. You should listen to it. It has my piano vibes too, but I mix some with some few. This year I dropped this Obrimpon. Yeah. So Charlie, whatever moves.
Okay, so Obrimpon, tell us about Obrimpon. Are you talking about yourself?
No. None of my songs is about me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The love songs or?
No.
The heartbreak songs or?
My friend be Equation.
Broski. What's his name?
Equation.
Oh, bro, he must have been through a lot.
Charlie, I used that guy to write Call on Me. Love No Catch You Before.
And he's still okay?
Headache, Jibodi.
No.
That guy, they suffer for this life inside. But
Equation.
He's giving me some.
How's he doing right now, though? Like, I'm genuinely concerned.
Oh, he did, but he did tired. Like, love the stress.
Bro, he has to make some corrections to whatever he's going through.
I forgive him some small A2.
Yeah. Bro, can I have him on here one of these days?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah, Equation, please go. And it's interesting, you know, Equation is always something leading to something.
I don't know if you know Flex?
Yeah.
You know the guy who used to dance with Equation?
Oh, no.
That's him, Equation.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
But as I was saying, an equation is like always something leading to something. Yeah. So, but his life has to change, man.
Yeah, he always leads to something, but I never listen.
Please tell us about Obrimpon, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's a typical high life song. It gave me like
right.
indigenous high life, Anampedu style, and it's a story about this guy who came all the way from the village. Sorry, from Kumasi.
Equation.
That's no Equation. No.
Okay.
No, this is about Sky.
He's not like when he said all the songs about his friends.
Yeah,
tell us about this.
This is about Sky. He came to Kumasi. He came from Kumasi
okay.
to Accra, thinking that he has a big brother here who's going to hold him down, make things happen for him. But you know.
Holy smokes.
You get me? Yeah. So.
Bro, all your friends go through a lot.
Charlie, Oscar, they were bread.
Hey.
Yeah, Oscar, they were bread. Only one bread question.
Okay, so let's listen to Obrimpon. Let's find out what he went through.
Yeah.
We'll be right back, guys. Tell us what you think. Bro, you were not lying when you said this is proper, typical, like down to the roots high life, man. Charlie, congratulations. You get like messages from old heads, you know, people are like, oh.
Yeah. I mean, when I dropped it, he be craft for me.
For real?
Yeah.
Can you share what he said or something?
I mean, like, I'm yet to meet him, so.
Okay, now he's called you.
Yeah, he's called me.
Oh, that's really, really cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Along this journey of yours, even though you've admitted some of your mistakes, which I commend you for, do you think the music space has been fair to you? And it could be the so-called gatekeepers, the media houses, or whatever it is that people talk of.
Oh no, I can't blame anyone for whatever is happening to me. I feel like I'm in control of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's just how you are, though. Because some people might say, you look like the person who doesn't like to complain about stuff. You just like to keep it moving. Am I correct? Or am I not correct?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Why complain if not a goal or if a step up?
Okay. That's how you see things?
Yeah.
Okay. So now this one is out. What's the plan for this? Is it more performances? Is it putting it out there more? Is it more types of these conversations concerning High Life?
I mean, I've dropped this. My next songs won't necessarily be High Life.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I have Afrobeat and trap songs too.
Okay.
I'm about to drop. This year, I may drop you a lot of songs.
A lot of songs. Okay, before we get to that, we got a couple of messages. One was, Enam, you used to work with her, right?
Yeah.
Are we getting more music? Because a fan was actually very adamant that I asked you, like, what's up with you and Enam? We're going to get more music from you guys.
I think she dropped an EP last year or last 2 years. Yeah, that she's still promoting.
Yeah.
But she has a lot of songs coming up too.
Okay. You and features, are we getting more features from you this year?
I mean, this EP, I have a lot of features.
A lot?
Plenty.
Okay. Who do you listen to, though? Musically?
I'm a bit old school. You get me? I still listen to James Brown.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I listen to Amachi the Demona there.
Okay. Now we get it.
Yeah. No, but no, at the same time, I listen to Kendrick Lamar, J. Cole, and all that. I listen to the new school guys too.
What do you think about J. Cole apologizing, man, to Kendrick? Bro, you brought it up, man.
Honestly, I relate more with J. Cole. I understand what he talks about. I don't relate with Kendrick.
For real?
I mean, Charlie Kendrick always talk about company things. I never stated before. I don't relate with most of the things that he talks about. Okay. You get me?
Yeah.
But lyrically, I feel Kendrick is crazy.
Okay.
J. Cole, you get chance for there. Why they go apologize?
I wasn't happy about that, man. I can understand.
I mean, did you listen to Control? I mean, a few years ago.
Yeah, when Kendrick just gave it to everybody, left, right, and center.
He didn't apologize.
Yeah, I wasn't happy about that. But I've heard Drake is not going to apologize.
That's
what I like about Drake. He's like 10 toes down.
Yeah, it's hip-hop, Charlie.
Yeah, back straight, chin up. He said it.
Yeah.
That he's going to come back. Do you feel like people underrate Drake lyrically? Because I feel like people do.
You see, sometimes if you are too big,
yeah, that can happen.
Yeah, that's too big,
yeah,
they'll try to undermine you.
Yeah, that can happen. How do you feel when people do that towards you?
Me?
Yeah.
Honestly, people think I'm really good.
Okay.
I don't get I always get hey, Charlie,
you're good. So they expect more.
They don't treat you well, mostly. Okay. That's what I get. I barely get when you're there, not there.
So how do you feel when the fans say that? Because I asked you if you feel like the music industry has been fair to you, but the fans feel like the music industry hasn't been fair to you.
Yeah, the fans feel like, yeah.
So how do you feel when they say that?
That's very true. I mean, I see that a lot.
How do you feel when they say that?
I feel like, wow, okay. Then I for do more.
Then you for do more, even though they feel like the industry hasn't been fair to you?
Yeah, Charlie, you see, the thing is, unless no, there was a time that I felt like people didn't really take me serious at all when I came fresh. You get me?
Okay.
But I felt like, Charlie, make her come hard, make her drop. I dropped a couple of songs. Call on Me was amazing, me and Mr. Easy, but they're not playing it.
Yeah.
Love Look at You before was nice. They were not playing it. But I kept dropping till I got Jibody, they started playing.
Yeah, started playing those songs.
Yeah, so I felt like it's up to me. You get me? Just go hard.
Okay, just go hard. A couple of questions. How do you feel when people still bring up the conversation about nudity and expose? It's been old.
It's been really long. Like anyone asked me about that. Yeah.
Okay, moving past that. So moving forward, right? It's gone to the point where the fans want the music. This year, Obrim points out, it seems like the reception is very good. Projects. Are we going to get singles? Like you said, they're features. Are we going to get albums, a full body of work? What's the plan for this year?
Yeah, I'm actually dropping 2 EPs.
Wait, what? Hold on. Don't just zoom past that.
I'm
Did you say 2 EPs?
Yeah, I'm dropping 2 EPs.
Yeah. That's big, man.
Yeah, they're actually ready. So I'm dropping singles too. This Upbring Point is not of the EP, it's just a single.
Wow.
And I'm hoping to drop an album too.
All this year?
Yeah.
But isn't there a bit of hesitation? Because the way we consume albums and EPs...
like, it's there. I'm not dropping them.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes my friends said, then they vex. Charlie, what did you know?
Yeah.
And all that. Yeah. So I feel like last year I dropped just one song. But I have over 1,000 songs.
Over 1,000 songs?
Yeah.
You literally have over 1,000 songs
over
sitting down?
songs, yeah. I have songs. Like,
that's crazy.
You see, this is the reason why I don't really take, like, the business side. I didn't really take the business side so serious because I love doing the music. I love it. Like, I just do it almost every time. That's my hobby. Me free to see maybe 1 or 2 things you said. And the back, I know.
Yeah, okay.
That's what I do on the regular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send me Momo. Take down and do songs.
Send me Momo. Somebody get song like that. Martin, only be sir.
So as I was saying, when it comes to the way we consume albums and full bodies of work, it's very different here. Like, I don't know if it's just our thing, but we don't sit down with music the way we would with a single. You might drop a 10-song album, right? It might be very, very good, all these songs, but if you don't promote it individually or if we don't see a video for it, we might not pay attention to those songs. Is that something you think about?
Yeah, it's very true. You can drop, Somewhere in North K, I don't know if you listen to it.
Yeah, I listened to a couple of songs on there, yes.
Half of the songs on Somewhere in North K was a hit. You get me? That's my only album. So sometimes it's not everybody. You get me? Sometimes you drop the album, you want way blow, you say, channel way blow. Well, you go, by the time you realize, like, almost all the songs are making it. So, I don't really think about. I always have like this song. I know that this is the biggest song on it. So me them imagine, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, like what I did with Your Body.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if that song blows up, cool. Whatever follows, cool.
Charlie, I'm very proud of you, man, and your honesty, your openness, your willingness to, accept your mistakes, and grow from them. I pray for bigger and better things. I can't wait to hear the music because there's 1,000 songs. Yeah. I'm imagining how difficult it is for you to select the songs you're going to put on each project.
That's
right?
the problem I have. That's a big.
It's like the women plenty, but it's very difficult for you to like.
I'm actually going through a heartbreak right now.
That's why you're wearing this.
Yeah, that's why I have this on, and
okay.
I'm very, very single right now. So
tell me about that. No, we're not also going to just
I'm very
push
single
past
right
that.
now. So
okay.
If you like me,
what happened though?
I'm available.
Because you were here telling about what Equation went through.
Yeah.
And I'm sure Equation is at home is like, Charlie, be true.
Because Equation will be funny. Like,
in difficulties, be funny, in struggles.
You see, you go break up right now, then you go another relationship, and they love the girl. Hey, God, then you go break up, and they love this one. Oh, God.
Okay. But you're not that type of guy. No. So you're not looking to be with anyone right now?
I want to be with somebody.
Bro, what's going on? You just said you're not...
I said I'm going through a serious heartbreak right now. This time I'm Pobi.
But don't you want time to heal on your own?
No. It's difficult to be single these days.
But what happened, though? Care to share? Did you cheat?
Nah.
Hey, Charlie.
She's too pretty. So, like, the competition be killer. Charlie, you they buy food, so what did they buy car? You see?
All the boys in the background like, same thing.
The competition be killer. So,
yeah.
Then they love you, say, bye for Charlie.
Is that why relationships are not working right now?
It's difficult these days, bro.
Yeah, it is.
It's difficult. So boys not for one drink, and then mafia they girls not for one drink. So you're not a good night,
Charlie, hard for us to wear.
Difficult for
good day. Charlie, it's hard, bro. Like, us emotional guys who go through a lot, don't have nobody to talk to at night. It's a really big problem.
Yeah.
But hopefully we'll get through it.
Yeah.
I need one of those chains, man.
But you're not going through any outbreak.
How are you to say? Thank you so much for coming through, Lord Favor. Is there anything you want to tell the fans before you go?
Charlie Upbring Point is out. You guys should stream. You guys should make it a big hit. I mean, to me, Boshos. I mean, yes, I'm also mean to me talk. I'm a girl. No, be engineering for myself. Man, Charlie, thank you guys.
Nice one. Again, very proud of this guy. If there's, Any way you want to support him even more, buy the music. I've said this. Let's get the views up. The music is on all platforms, right?
Yeah.
It's everywhere. Go out there, buy it. Videos on YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Please go out there. Let's get the views up. Support my brother. And please, when you have more music, the EPs to the music videos, please bring them through.
Definitely.
God bless you, man. I have to let him go, but I'm not leaving just yet. I'll be right back. Stay tuned in.